It's KY with a KAP.
Yes, so here we are in Toxteth L8, and this, I don't know, I'm not gonna call it a new series, but as I said, over the years, I've always been about, whether it be all over the world or all over the country or all over everywhere, because the ADHD just got me getting mad. But yeah, listen, so right now, I'm in L8, Toxteth, and this is where my dad's side of the family's from, and with my little big cousin, Ronnie Biggs. And yeah, I know loads of people are always interested about different parts of the country. And I guess I might as well use my YouTube channel to, I don't know, show everybody what I want, you know. And obviously this area's got a massive history. Massive history, and some slowly and surely changing, or changed, just like the most of this country, you know. But yeah, welcome to Toxteth L8. So this is Granby. This is Granby now. Obviously this is where my dad was from. This is where my auntie was from. This is my cousin's mum. And obviously back in the day, I guess L8 Toxteth is known for, I guess, a lot of Caribbean culture. And I say all the time, so Josh, where's all the black scousers, bro? Where they gone? You know? And what? You've been here for what? How old are you now? What, 30, 33?
33 years, bro.
Yeah.
I'm in life.
But what? The Caribbeans are gone, bro. Where are they just now? Scattered around Liverpool.
Scattered. Yes, Lewis. I know, seeing you, kid.
Because what, would you say there's the same kind of community like from when you, like back in the day when you were growing up? Like when I used to come down here back in the day, bro. Look at that, that's fun, like, sorry. City of Toxteth. So when I used to come around here back in the day, I don't know. It just felt different, innit? But again, the whole country is changing, you know? And obviously, you gotta move with the times, and move with the changes. But yeah, this is L8, this is Toxteth. As I said, I'm sure many people all over the country have heard about Toxteth riots, you know. But yeah. See, I think some people sometimes they think like when you hear Toxteth, and I guess it's got quite a bad reputation from back in the day, when you actually do come around here, there's actually not really much going on, is it? It's all
Lodge Lane's a bit different, but when you get there, there's more activity on Lodge Lane, you get me? See that in it.
Yeah, Lodge Lane's like Harrow Road, so I grew up in Harrow Road, so I know exactly what you mean. Where were the houses before, where there were houses? Remember back in the day, you could get a house up here for £1. There's all these streets here where the houses were £1. I mean, they were fucked up in it, so they might have costed £1 in that, but you were going to spend about, what, 50? Nah, let's go up there. You're going to spend about 50, 60 bags renovating it and that. But nah, Granby. It's not even cheap to live around here no more. Like even Liverpool, even up here is getting gentrified with the prices, you know. But yeah, I can imagine back in the day, in the Caribbean days, it would have been thriving around here, boy. It would have been proper community spirit, you know. I don't feel like it's that anymore, my personal opinion. But yeah. We are the future. Oh, what's this? Little sweetie thing?
That's never opened, don't know what the fuck like.
Little sweetie thing? Yeah. Never opened.
What, I think it might be a part of that.
Yeah.
Yes.
See, we're coming to the other end of Toxteth now. onto Lodge Lane. As I said, we have Harrow Road. They have Lodge Lane. It's a very similar kind of vibe, if you get what I mean. But yeah, Toxteth L8. Spooner gang. Spooner clan. I don't know, I think a lot of people that don't leave London, like, I don't know, I think everyone thinks London, like, everyone thinks the rest of the UK is like London, bro. Like, you come up north and that, and it's very different. It's got nice artwork though. It's got some nice artwork pieces. When was that? That big long road. Yeah, these back-to-backs here are mad, bro. These the houses are mad. The houses are mad. Yeah, but I think they're back-to-back terrace houses. So when you're literally just like a box here and a box here. But yeah, Toxteth, Liverpool, 2024 L8. But yeah, obviously, we'll do the walk, we'll do the Labatt Grove walkthrough, we'll do the Hebden Bridge walkthrough. You know, I've definitely seen some interesting places over the years, and sometimes, you know, sometimes it's almost like being in London. When people don't leave, bro, they proper don't leave, you know. And obviously, with the madness that's going on in the world right now, and it being more difficult to maybe jump on a plane and fly around to whatever country you want, Tuesday man's got that British passport, then yeah, maybe it's that time to maybe explore some other areas in the United Kingdom. What did this used to be, a swimming bath? And what are they doing with it now? Nothing, just putting that thing there and leaving it overgrown. We just got some shawarmas, nice little £3.50 thing, opposed to the £10 shitty burger in Box Park, which I got ripped for. Thought I was back in London for a second, but yeah, we got a nice little scram there from the shawarma shop. There's not too many Caribbean shops anymore left in Toxteth. They're few and far, so not that we got Caribbean, we got shawarmas, but you get my gist. Loving Lodge Lane. How's that tasting?
Chicken shawarma, you get me?
£3.50 though. I'm looking forward to getting stuck in. I'm not gonna lie, the Box Park just done me over with that £10 patty. Or did I do myself over? Did I do myself over by paying for it? Hey, that shawarma was bad. That was a proper bit of scram that was. For £3.50 you can't go wrong. But yeah, still strolling through Toxteth L8 on a grey Scouse afternoon, typical. But yeah. So we're crossing to the other side of Toxteth. Imagine some dodgy shit going on there, boy. So what's this, the other side of Toxteth?
It's Berkeley L8, some man call it B-block. B-block.
See, I've never really come over this side of Toxteth before. Okay.
Yeah, this was the even Toxteth for, I think it was like,
Yeah.
Okay, no more. Back in the day, just I used to like chill everywhere around the ends. Now man just kind of stay in there a little bit, innit? But used to be here, chilling up there.
Yeah, but like Caribbean vibes, yeah. There was loads of shebeens around here back in the day,
Yeah.
That's where my mum met my dad. I don't think I've been over this side before. This definitely seems way more dodgy than the other side. I definitely see it. Yeah, I hear it, I can see it. I can feel it. I can feel it. Oh yes. Because obviously you do hear about Toxteth, but obviously it's obviously like it's still seen as like a no-go area though. Like, loads of people don't want to go around there, innit?
Yeah, especially like coming into somewhere like here. Man, I've got no reason to be walking around here really, you know what I mean? Unless like you're from there or you're meant to be here type of thing, innit? But people from outer ends aren't going to be walking around here.
Yeah, but see now if you want to privately rent in Toxteth, in LA, peace, bro. Obviously it's close to the city, innit?
Yeah, that is good shopping. Yeah, that yellow car is a bit more easy.
I can imagine this little bit here, this looks real rough. Like things could be definitely popping off here.
Go that way.
Or whatever. What's up where's the Toxteth library? That way, innit? Yeah, I guess L8's a sought after area now. There's still parts of L8 over there, but where you just turn the corner, it's kind of like a flipping whole new world, you get what I mean? Which I guess is similar to London, because in London's the mad one, bro. You're literally just one road, another road, you're literally turning roads to roads to roads, from worlds to worlds to worlds, you know? But yeah, this is England, Blacknecks, Toxteth L8, and yeah, I guess the Renegade Season YouTube channel is adding another string to the bow, and yeah, we're going to call it Gallivanting Sessions Around the Country. Shades on a Gallivant. But yeah, Toxteth L8, where my dad was from, Spooner Gang. I'm sure there's been influences throughout my career that have stemmed from Liverpool. But yeah, here we are. Okay, so he looks different now. He's a bit more posh now. So, boy, bust his corner compared to over there, bro. Yeah, bro. So, boy, as I said, this is what I think anyway. For me, I almost feel like a whole new just almost feels like a whole new community's been taken out. It feels like one community's been taken out, and like they just like literally could slot the whole new community in. Again, I have not lived in Toxteth all my life, but I've been here throughout my 37 now. I've probably been coming to Toxteth since let's just say 15 years, innit? No, more than 15 years. More than that. Let's just say 25 years, innit? And yeah, things have definitely. I don't even want to say changed. Have they changed? A lot in it changed. Yeah, for people that don't leave London, I just said most people from London, they don't leave, bro. They don't really realise that there's the other ends and that. I don't know, it's very different. Very different. So what's this, Prince's Avenue, yeah? And that's one side of Toxteth, and this is the other side. So we're back on the other side. What are we getting now? You said there was some sort of youth club or something.
Still there now.
Yeah? Still doing a good job for the community. 50p? Oh hey, not bad.
Wanna come out for the subs? No kids with microphone.
Imagine.
I mean, they're giving up 50p.
I'm not allowed to come in. Some of these older houses are nice though. It's like the Victorian ones, isn't it? don't know. I don't know. I imagine back in the day, and I vaguely do remember because I was here back in the day as well. I don't know. It's just, imagine it just going off. You know, I don't know. Lots of different communities all over the country are changing anyway. You know, even in Ladbroke Grove, where I'm from, you know, people obviously always think because it looks so beautiful and that there's all this rich houses and all this riches. It's obviously a sick place to live, but it's only sick if you got money, bruv. Otherwise, what? You can sit in there broke, watching everyone else have a good time, innit? The famous Granby. So obviously, to me, you know what it looks like to me? That. So see, back in the day, Toxteth was the place where, I guess, like the black immigrants come. When I say black immigrants, I mean like Caribbean immigrants from back in the day, Windrush era. I guess that to me, it looks like they all kind of come here, not all of them. And it kind of looks like to me now, then that Caribbean community is no longer here, and like a whole kind of new generation of, I guess, I don't want to use the word immigrants because it's such a negative word with a negative connotation, but I'm sure you know what I mean by that, you know. And yeah, I guess for me personally, it just looks like it's kind of building its own, like the L8 Toxteth, the L8 Toxteth of 2024 is not the same L8 Toxteth that you grew up 33 years ago, is it? It's like a whole different kind of people there, isn't it? Yeah, Liverpool, LA. And we're almost back round at Granby now. Yeah. So this is Gallivanting with Renegade. I'm keeping that now. I'm pissed here. Man, Gallivanting with Renegade, you know. But yeah, I don't know, I think we're gonna do, I've done Ladbroke Grove the other day, but I'm gonna do it again, you know. I can do it better. Ladbroke Grove's mad. Ladbroke Grove's a mad place when you actually really like record it. But yeah, this is Gallivanting with Renegade. This might be 001, it might be 002. I'm not sure. But yeah, Toxteth L8, Gallivanting with Renegade. Ronnie Biggs in the car.